that's giving you better chances of having water available when weather may be giving you a lack of moisture. It's a direct impact on yield.
Hello, and welcome to this edition of The State of Soy. I'm Michaela Jordan, reporting from Adair, where I'm joined today by AgriDrain President Scott Lucan and Josh Schuler, who serves as the Product and Business Manager here at AgriDrain, talking about the importance of maintaining drainage systems in your field and the important role they play in your bottom line. As farmers head out this spring, how can they help manage their water throughout the growing season?
Yeah, well, today's water management systems give you optionality. So it's not just about draining in the spring and getting ready to plant. It's what depth do you want to manage that water table to. So our systems give them that option.
Does that management of water change based on whether we have a dry or wet growing season?
The great thing about these systems these days is that whenever there's too much moisture, it's still going to function at full flow and move that water away, but you can't bring it back. So today you have options. You can manage to a certain depth, but at any point when there's excessive moisture, you're still going to have full flow in those drainage systems like you would have if you were managing the full tile depth.
Josh, kind of pivoting on that, what are some of those in-field benefits farmers can see when they're able to manage that water table better, regardless of what type of season they're having?
Well, structures that we put in place to control allow us to really augment what tile does for us. I think most people agree tile is important. It allows us to maintain that water at the level that we want for the type of growing season. So we can pull it down in the spring so we get a nice dry warm seed bed, but then we can start holding back, buying ourselves days and weeks into the summer when things naturally dry up. And there's really no other method to do that consistently. Even with irrigation systems, controlling that subsurface can be kind of a challenge. And we know that if we let the surface dry out and start to crack, even if we do get those late summer rains, we're not going to get the benefit that we'd love to have, because a lot of that's going to go straight to the tile, right through those cracks, before it has a chance to really soak up and hold it. Up to 40% of your nutrient removal or discharge through the system happens in your fall and fallow season. So the ability for us to control the water level throughout the year in the growing season, we're reducing discharge, we're retaining that longer, but we're definitely doing that in the fall. So I think that's where the majority of that savings occurs. Where a standard tile system on 24/7 is just going to let it all go.
If you can set your thermostat in your home, you could set the depth that you want to manage your water table to for the whole year. And it can change throughout the growing season and the fallow season. That's giving you better chances of having water available in the water table when weather may be giving you a lack of moisture. But at all times when there's too much moisture, you're still going to have full flow of that drainage system to move that water away.
I love the analogy you used of the thermostat, being able to control it and having that technology to be able to manage that. And Josh, I believe AgriDrain has a new system that they've launched that could really help farmers be able to control it like a thermostat. Could you tell us a little bit more about the new system and what benefits it brings to farmers?
Absolutely. So the 1000 series system is our new smart drainage controller. It's really meant to make things as simple and easy to use as possible. We can easily set up and schedule for each gate. So the system supports up to 2 slide gates, so we can do full season drainage and what we call in-season drainage, so that's setting the in-season level. All those can be set up on a calendar approach, so we can set a day and a time that they open or close independent, and that can be scheduled throughout the year. And we all know the one thing farmers don't have extra of is time. So with the smart drainage system, it really allows us to go ahead and set everything up, and it's a set it and forget it type scenario.
Scott, could you touch on how that impacts potential yields and a farmer's bottom line during a year like 2026?
Tile pays for itself with yield increases that have been proven over time, but it doesn't make it rain and it doesn't bring the water back up the watershed, right? This system gives you the opportunity to hold water that is still below the root zone, but is available to recharge the system when the moisture in the root zone is depleted. So it's a direct impact on yield. The return on your tile system, it intensifies it.
Water plays a critical role in our agronomy system and the success of our soybean plants. Thank you to the AgriDrain team for all they do as a friend of the Iowa Soybean Farmer Partner and a supporter of farmers across the state when it comes to better managing water and improving bottom lines. Reporting for this edition of The State of Soy, I'm Michaela Jordan.
You know, everything starts with the land. We really respect farmers.
There's nothing that we cannot help a client with. So the brokerage, the management, the appraisal, and the investment are 4 pillars that really go so well together.
We work with a lot of really great people working incredibly hard to provide for their families, their community.